I'm just going. Okay, in order to find the measurement of angle P here, what we want to do is we're going to look and see what this measurement is here, right? So there's this measurement here goes to angle P. So the measure of angle P is equal to 1/2 the measure of arc MN. So the measure of angle P will be equal to 1/2 of 70, which means that's equal to 35. So the measure of arc PO is equal to 2 times the measure of angle N, right? We double it then. So the measure of arc PO is 2 times 56, which is equal to 112. Okay, finding the measure of angle T. So angle T and angle U have to be congruent because they both intercept this arc right here. So that being the case, we're going to say that the measure of angle T is equal to the measure of angle U. So we'll just substitute now. 3x minus 5 equals 2x plus 15. So we set up this as our equation. So we're going to subtract 2x from each side of this equation and end up with x minus 5 equals 15. add 5 to each side, and I end up with x is equal to 20. Now they want us to find the measure of angle t, so that would be 3 times 20 minus 5, which is 60 minus 5. So the measure of angle t is equal to 55. So in addition, okay, we can take and do another problem, which is this arc here is intercepted by this angle here and this angle here. So those two angles are equal, and so we can take this now and say 3x equals x plus 16, right? Because angle S and angle B would be equal. So we're going to subtract x from each side. 2x equals 16. Divide each side by 2. X is equal to 8. We want to find the measure of angle S. So the measure of angle S would equal 3 times 8. So the measure of angle S is equal to 24. Okay, so I can see here that this segment here, right, segment FH is a diameter. So I want to find the measure of angle F. So I know these two angles here, 4x plus 2 plus 9x minus 3 must add up to 90, right? Because this is a right angle. It's a right triangle here. So 4x plus 2 plus 9x minus 3 equals 90. So I've got 13x minus 1 equals 91. Nope, that's a mistake. I'm bouncing things ahead. It's 90. There we go. So 13x minus 1 is 90. Add 1 to each side. 13x equals 91. So we pull out our calculator, say 91 divided by 13. That comes out to 7. Right? So angle F would be 4 times 7 plus 2, which is 28 plus 2. So that angle would be 30. All right, so now we have the same angle again, or the same type of problem again. So we would say 7x plus 2 plus 17x minus 8. Again, both of those add up to 90. So I've got 24x minus 6 equals 90. Add 6 to each side, I get 24x equals 96. Divide each side by 24, and x is equal to 4. Okay, so we see this Nicholas charm here, and we want to find the measure of angle A and angle B. Well, angle A is pretty easy because that angle here, these two angles must be supplementary, and since this one is 90, this one also too must be 90. So the measure of angle A is 90. The measure of angle B is a little more complex, but we're going to take these two and we know they're supplementary, which means they add up to 180. So 2x minus 30 plus x equals 180. So 3x minus 30 equals 180. We're going to add we're going to add 30 to each side and end up with 3x is equal to 210. Divide each side by 3, x is equal to 70. So if angle D is 70, the measure of angle B must be 110.